Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we're doing a smaller job, sidewalk with the front porch. It's sunk, so we're gonna report it the right way. We're gonna have a little vacation after that too for my wife's birthday, so stick around for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour, which should go really quick. I might not even have to touch concrete. But see you then, guys. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Bye-bye. All right guys, tear out went well. The wife isn't here today, so I'm kind of having to run the camera at the same time as I'm working, but that took about 15 minutes. I always tell people the right equipment makes things go fast. We're gonna frame today. It's Saturday. We have this pour set for Tuesday because we're gonna take in a little vacation after that. Watch us get this ready. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully we can get it done in one day. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye.
No me hace feliz el güey.
All right guys, there it is. Tear out was fast. We managed to tear this out in I think 20 minutes. We framed it in another 2.5 hours, which we were kind of expecting anyways. It's a small project and we can reach it with our machine. But there it is guys. We poured at 7 in the morning, 5-inch slump. We have this little joint in the front because anytime concrete meets a vertical face, it'll crack right where it meets. So we put a little joint there hopefully, and then I stuck my float in here and here so the crack doesn't continue off. And then as you can tell from where it was, it used to be down on the ground. Now it's about 8 inches higher, so it should be pretty good. But there it is guys. And then we're eventually going to come back to do the driveway according to the customer. So we put a little joint here because this right level, as you can tell by looking at the form, it dips down a little bit to meet the driveway. So we'll cut it here, break it here, and then have that be a little higher and meet the new driveway when the time comes. But there it is. Thanks for sticking around guys. By the time you guys see this, we'll be done with our vacation. Today is Tuesday. We're leaving on Thursday, so this will be seen after when we're done. Hey, there goes some planes flying by. It's pretty cool be living next to the Air Force Academy. But anyways, next week we are doing another smaller job. It slowed down a little bit. We had a good start and it slowed down a little bit. I mean, that's how the season's been. But we'll see you guys next week. See you later guys. Bye bye.